Well, developments that are currently happening in Kilkenny, there's a lot going on. It's a very vibrant place. The main one that's on at the moment is the Abbey Quarter development. That's 16 acres of brownfield site, so to speak, a former Smithwick's brewery, and it's earmarked for significant development, but that's going to take the next 10 to 15 years to conclude. The creation of jobs has been a big expectation in relation to this because it's a huge area, bang smack in the city centre with great potential. We haven't seen many of those jobs yet, simply because the development hasn't yet really happened. I would see further down the years, as new office blocks and other working spaces and indeed accommodation spaces are built, that certainly 400, 500, 600 jobs potential is very, very realistic and will be achieved. But this, again, as I said, is a 10 to 15 year project. So it's going to take that level of time before all of that comes to pass.